walking over to Indian Motorcycle. This should be fun. Of course, they came out with that new Power Plus engine. Indian makes some beautiful, beautiful cycles. Not sure what color this is, what they call the color, but this is a gorgeous color right here.
Are you looking for I know a video just to see how
See if I can find somebody to talk to here. They all look kind of busy. This is where you sign up for the demo rides.
So there's a light right up here. You'll come in.
See if I can grab this guy once he gets done.
Right here. There's little gates. You'll go through those gates and then come right up to here. And they talked about the yellow arrows along the route. All right.
Hey, can I catch you for a second?
Sure. Let me get him set up real quick.
All right.
So I had it on. There you go. So it's on. So you got
Oh, I didn't realize he was going on a demo. Okay.
Windscreen up and down if you want to do that. You got both blinkers on that side. Your horns over there, I don't think you'll need the lights or music if you want to mess with everything. This is our right command system. So this is your infotainment system. It's got all, you can hook your Bluetooth, your phone, it's got your GPS, all that stuff if you want to mess with it.
So the difference between the older Roadmaster right here is the air-cooled Roadmaster has still the air-cooled 116, and then the new Roadmaster, Power Plus Roadmaster, is the 112.
The red one?
Correct. Yep.
That's a new 112.
Yep, that's liquid-cooled engine.
Okay. Did it change the horsepower?
I can't give you the comparison total difference, but I know this is like 126 horse, like 133 foot-pounds of torque now.
It's a beast.
Oh, they go pretty good.
Yeah. I'm going to come out and test drive one tomorrow.
Okay.
See if I can let me mount a camera.
Sure. I think they will.
Thanks for your time.
They don't know.
Andy, thanks. Okay, there you have it. Try to get as much information. These guys are really busy trying to set up rides. Didn't want to take much of his time. But I think I'm going to come out here tomorrow and do a test ride of the new Power Plus engine. So anyway, this is the first day and it's quite busy today.